So I'm going to make a video today that kind of demonstrates what I've been going through. I've got a pretty decent setup here. It's a Canon 80D and the time-lapse feature is awesome on it. It's not perfect, but my latest incarnation is this mount that I got off of Amazon. It's a well-known brand, and I have 2 points here. I'm not fully set up here. I just kind of threw it on to try to fix that last little bit of vibration that I get. And I know that there's, probably some people out there that this is a really easy thing to fix. For me, it's a couple things. I want to have access to my focus. Right now I have it on autofocus, but I need to turn that off because it goes in and out of the windshield, and the dynamic kind of motion tracking is really cool when it works, just kind of by coincidence though. Obviously when you're driving you can't even pay attention to it, so you need to just kind of put your faith in it. And then you get some areas where it's like a minute of blurry windshield, the sun caught it the wrong way or something like that. So it's best to turn off the autofocus, just put it out as far back as you can, and that's going to work out good. But audio is through these Rode wireless microphones. They are pretty awesome, and that's kind of like my starter pack. I know that there's better solutions out there. Make some final adjustments. Yes. This is going to be our driver's perspective. It's a little bit lower than I'd like to be, but I think that it's meeting the windshield at more of a right angle this way. We're doing 25 frames per second, and therefore we have the shutter speed at 50. The rule of thumb is to double, apparently. So there's no accidents or anything like that, so we should have a pretty good drive. So if all goes according to plan, we should only have to mess with the aperture at the bare minimum for safety, of course. Oh, and we need gas. Alright, shit. Let's go to the freeway and then maybe we'll get gas in Boyle Heights. so I was trying to see how bad the vibration is. It's pretty bad. Bridge under construction. So keep fucking with the focus. Bridge closed. Ooh, U-turn. Pretty cool. There she is, all under construction. So that's a shaky view of Hollenbeck Park. There's the lake. Oops, actually there's the wall. Alright, so this is kind of version 2.0. It looks a little ridiculous, and I'm not sure if it's going to help out much, but one thing I'm kind of troubleshooting is, see, that sun is just intense this morning. I think I'm going to try to put this closer so that the lens is closer to the windshield. Let's give it a whirl. Oh shit, I can't. Motherfucker. I'm gonna win some sort of award for the most moronic setup, low tech. So what I'm doing is actually resting the camera on the dashboard on a t-shirt actually that's tucked up under. So let's get out and see. That's a neck pillow, and I'm manually resting the camera on the pillow. If it works, I don't think it's gonna work. There's gonna be something wrong with it, but I can actually rotate the pillow. So the camera's still inverted, so that's fine. And the mount is actually just going to keep it steady, and I can still do this. I guess. I can already see the window's dirty. I should probably clean that. But yeah, this is, this is probably going to turn out a pretty good image. The quest continues. All right, after spending like 45 minutes at that gas station, I got my $20 worth.
Well, I just can't shake the slow motion of feeling like I'm living in a dream. Well, that's something I've been imagining. So slow, so slow, so slow, so slow.
All right, well that was test number 1. I'm pretty sure the last few minutes were pretty compelling and pretty stable. So hopefully, this will be a quest from this point on.